Hi everyone, this is Chantel McCarthy, and I'm here to talk to you about my revisions for the unit that I taught titled All About Alice. And just to refresh your memory, that unit was over the exponent properties and how to graph exponential functions. So to start off, did my activities here give appropriate evidence of my goals and objectives? And I believe they did. So each day the students did a discovery activity to discover the exponent properties as well as graphing the simple exponential equations. And the demo that the students created of Alice to demonstrate how she grows exponentially or how she shrinks exponentially, I believe, gave my low students the opportunity to learn those goals and objectives. Did my task involve a complex real-world application? This is an area that I need to improve on for next time. The only, I guess, problem they did was related to Alice, which isn't really real world. So in the future, I could add in population growth problems or loan interest rate problems, as well as talk about how exponential functions help coroners determine time of death. So those are some options that I could do in the future. And then are there a variety of appropriate assessment formats used? And yes, two formative assessments I used were daily exit tickets to determine, if my students knew the objective for that block. And then I did have one written quiz to see where they were at halfway through the unit, the progression. And then my summative was the one written test. And then were my students given opportunity to self-assess and reflect? And I believe I did do this. So on my quizzes, I give immediate feedback the next time we meet. They're graded. And then I have a sign-up sheet posted in my classroom where students sign up to come in during seminar, which is a study period, and time to get help from teachers. And on that seminar sign-up sheet, they put on there what concepts they still need some work on and they would like extra practice on. And then for the test, I also give immediate feedback, and I also do an opportunity for a retake. And on that retake, students have to prove to me that they're worthy of a retake and fill out this sheet and tell me why they believe they received the score they did, and then they have to set up 3 times with me to practice one-on-one over the concepts that they still are struggling with. And again, that sign-up sheet is in my classroom to sign up during seminar. So my revisions for this unit, number one, I would allot more time for my low kids or my tier 3 kids to learn the exponent rules. I feel like they needed a little bit more time, and then also to add in that real world application. The rationale for each one, the class could not learn the material as fast as my regular IMP1 students. And the rationale for the other one, it gives gives students a reason as to why the information being presented is important.